Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing fantastic today. Hope you're having a great week. It is Wednesday, June the 11th of 2025. We have made it to day number 63 of this Mileage and Secrets challenge. Okay, and if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, guys, we are shooting a 365-day challenge, a 1 year challenge, promoting one offer from Clickbank. Okay. We are using a system called Mileage and Secret System, and we are putting those together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing that within 1 year. Okay. So this is going to be very interesting, guys. Please like, subscribe to this channel. Okay. So you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing, and you can follow along to see if there's something that you might want to get into, or see if this is an income stream you would like to add to your repertoire. Okay, so we've made it to day number 63, guys. I'm going to show you guys how to send out, how easy it is to send out an email in the Mileage and Secret System. Tell you what the Mileage and Secret System is all about. Show you Clickbank, what that's all about, and then we sent out an email last night um, in the Clickbank account with the Mileage and Secret System with this method. I'm just going to show you the results on what we did last night. All right. So let's go ahead and hop right to it. We're on day number 63. Let's get to it. If you guys don't know what Mileage and Secret is, let me go over two here, guys. This is a email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing, business opportunity leads every single day. So these people that are coming onto this list that you're going to be able to accumulate, these people are looking for ways to earn money online. Okay. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out, right? We go find offers that are related to making money online. We create an email, whether that be from the offer from the vendor, they may have free email swipes, or we can go use AI, right? The new wave is AI, right? We can go out and create an email that's tailored to what we're doing, and we can send that email to this traffic, and we can get eyeballs on our offer. Okay, so that's basically what this is. This is an email service, right? So this email service, you're going to be able to collect your own email subscribers. Okay, these people will stay with you for as long as you keep the service. They're going to stay with you. Okay, you can build this account up to 200,000 plus subscribers. Okay, and you send out one email every 24 hours. That email will go out to all of those subscribers. You will get a lot of eyeballs on your offer, guys, and you will start to see progress, and you will make money. Okay. So the Mileage and Secret, I've been with them over a few years now, guys. I totally love the service. I've promoted so many different business opportunities to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. One thing is that this traffic is cold traffic, guys. So these people have no idea who you are. You have to warm them up. You got to send them good emails. Okay. You got to send them good emails. Okay. And then once they start to, get comfortable with you, then they'll start opening up to you. They'll start reading your emails, and eventually they'll start purchasing from you. Okay. That's just how it goes. Now, if you guys sign up today, I did leave a link below this video. So let's go ahead and go down here. And if you click on more, there's going to be this link right here, guys. Get Mileage and Secret bonus included. Okay, this tiny URL / MLGS True Freedom. This is the link. If you click on that link, guys, it'll take you to the Mileage and Secret System to get signed up. Go ahead and get signed up, guys. I got some cool bonuses for you guys, some high converting emails for you. If you get started, just send me a message. Let me know that you did sign up today under the link below, and I'll get those bonuses to you. Okay. So this is the back office of the Mileage and Secret System. Your back office will look exactly like this. This will be a duplicate. The only thing different from your back office and mine is the emails that you're sending out. Okay. And obviously the affiliate link is going to look different. Okay. Mine is going to be different from yours. Yours is going to be different from everyone else's. Okay. So the main tab that you're going to be using, guys, is going to be this mailing system. This right here is the tab that you're going to use to send all of your emails. Okay. This is the most important tab. Okay. So let's go ahead and click on mailing system. Okay, we're going to come down here. We'll click on select all. What that does when we click on select all, guys, it just moves these emails over to the portal. It loads them up. That way, when we send out one email, it goes to everyone that you have in your list. Okay, so right now in this particular account, I have 8 different accounts, right? So this email is going to go out to over 176,000 people. Okay, which is really good. I can send out one email blast, and it goes out to all of those people, and those people look at those emails that day, or the next day, or the day after, maybe even a week after. I have people looking at those emails, so that's a lot of people, guys, to reach, and it's very, very powerful. Okay, so if you guys sent out an email in Yahoo or Google or something like that, you have a subject line that you have to put in, like the subject of the email, and then you also have to put in the body, right? Just the text on what you're talking about. Okay. Super easy to do. You got to do 2 things, right? Whenever you're sending out this email. Okay. What you want to do first is come down here, click on perfect timing. That's just basically going to make the email go out at a perfect time when that prospect or customer is looking at their emails. Okay. So the offer that we're promoting for this 1 year challenge, guys, is going to be social sales rep. Is live chat jobs on Clickbank. Okay. So if you go to the e-business, e-marketing on Clickbank, you're going to see this offer called social sales rep, which is live chat jobs. Okay. They have free email swipes from this offer. It doesn't cost you anything, guys. All you got to do is click on email swipes. You have 20 different emails that are highly converted. You just send out these email, guys, and you will make money. Okay. Send out, don't miss a day. Okay. Send out all 20 emails. Okay. Just like I did. And then once you get down to 20, start back over at 1 again, come down to 20, start back over. And then what you can do after you do that a few times, you can replenish these emails and reword these emails by Chat GPT. You can go to Chat GPT and ask Chat GPT to rewrite this email into a high converting email that's different, right? So you can do that. There's so many different variations that you can use to do that. And that's what I do, guys. I've sent these out before, but once I got sent these out a few times, I started just to rearrange some of these words, make these emails my own. That way it's because you know what, guys, we're not the only ones doing this method, all right? Just real quick. We're not the only ones sending out these emails, okay? There's other people that have watched this video. There's other videos out here on the internet that show you this same method, okay? Not a lot, but there are some videos that show you this same method, right? And some of these people may go out and do exactly what you do, okay? Somebody's watching this video, they're going to go out and do exactly what I'm doing in this video. Okay. So what we want to do as an entrepreneur, okay, you're going to want to separate yourself from everyone else. Okay. You don't want to be like everyone else, guys. You want to create a different email pattern. Okay. That way your emails will convert a whole lot better. Okay. But for the sake of this video, for the sake of this challenge, we're starting out. If you're starting out, these will work just fine for you because no one has ever seen you personally send these emails out. Okay. Once they know that you're just sending out the same emails over and over, you're going to want to change it up a little bit, right? Okay. And that's what I mean. Okay. So if you're just getting started, just send these emails out first. Okay. That way you can kind of get an idea of this method and how it works. And then as you get more advanced, and as you know, these people start to warm up to you, then you can send out different emails that have different subject lines and different body of texts. Okay. So let's go ahead and send out an email. I believe we sent this one out yesterday. Let's go ahead and go to 17. Okay. Let's go ahead and take this subject line. We're going to Control C. We're going to just grab that, guys. Come back over here to the mailing system. Control V. Boom. Super easy to do. Okay. Come down here to the body. We clicked on perfect timing. We'll come back here. We'll grab this body of text here. Okay. So let's just go ahead and take all of that there, guys. All right. It's a long email too. Control C, come back over here to the system. Control A, Control V. Boom. Super easy. Right, guys? And then we're going to come down up here where it says hi name. We want to take that name and we want to put in a code where it addresses our customer by their first name, right? So we want to take this out and we want to put in your first name, right? And this email right here, guys, is has some call to action links in it. Okay. So the call to action links is like apply now, click here. So you want to look for those buttons. Okay. So this right here is says click here in bold text. So this is where basically our email, they're letting us know where to add a clickable link. Okay. But me, I'm going to go a step further. Let's just highlight the whole sentence. Okay. Click here to complete your application if you're interested. So let's click on the link tab. Let's come back here to the mailing system. Underneath every email on this on these offers, on these free email swipe, there's going to be a free email, and I'm sorry guys, an affiliate link that you can use for this email. So this link right here goes with this email. Okay. So let's come back over here to the mailing system and want to control V. Now, what we have to do is you have to check out where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID. They want you to put in your affiliate ID. Okay, let's do that. Now, don't put in mine, right? Put in yours. Don't put in mine, okay? So let's go ahead and click on OK. Okay, and then let's go ahead and come down here. And what that did is turn that into a clickable link. Okay, so when our prospect is looking at their email, they see this link and it's clickable. So they can hover over it with the mouse and they can click on it and it'll go to your affiliate page. So let's go. We have one more right here. Click here to complete your application now. Let's just highlight that whole thing. Okay, click there, Control V. We want to come back and we want to take this out and we want to put in whatever your ClickBank affiliate ID is. Boom. And then click on OK. Okay. So what that does, it turns those two links. We got two links that are clickable. Okay. And I like to make the size bigger, either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys feel comfortable with. And then we want to turn that into an email. So this email actually looks really good. So it says, hi, first name, right? And then it goes into the offer. Okay. And it lets our customer know what type of offer this is and how they can make money. Okay. So if you come down here, everything looks good. It shows them the location, contract lift, how much money that they can make. I mean, this email is really good. Okay. Now, where it says conversation specialists are in huge demand worldwide right now, I'm gonna go ahead and take this worldwide, and I'm going to make it more personable, and I'm going to say in your area, right? Which is lets our prospect know, our customer know that this opportunity is wherever they are. Okay, whether that be anywhere in the United States, it just makes it more personable. Okay, everything looks good on this email. Okay, this email is ready to go. Okay, so all we would need to do is we would come here to down at the bottom. I've already sent out my email today, guys. I've sent out. Let's see here. See what this says. Okay. All right. So I've sent out this email already. Okay, guys. I've already sent out all 8 of my emails. Okay. So I've already got ahead of you guys, but this is how you do it. At the bottom, there's going to be a send now and a preview. You click on preview. That way you can click on these links. Okay. So that email, when you click preview, it'll show you what it looks like in real time. And then it'll let you click on these links. Once you click on these links, you want to make sure that it goes to the link that your affiliate link. Okay. That way you get the commission for this email that we're sending out. That's very important. So don't come down here when you get done and click send now, click preview first, and then come back here and click send now. So we'll click send now. Boom. Now, once we click send now, this email goes out to all of those people, guys. It's going to go out to over 157,000 people, which is pretty awesome. Okay. So that's how easy it is to send out an email in the My Lead Gen secret system. Go ahead and get started today under this video at the link, guys. Okay. That way I can send you some special emails that no one else has. That I can send you those and they convert very, very well, guys. Okay. So let's go ahead and hop on over here to Clickbank. And if you guys don't know what Clickbank is, it's a network platform that you can go and you can promote different offers to this email. Okay. I mean, to this service. So let's go ahead and go into reporting tab. Now, reporting tab is today is June 11th. Today, with the system, we did get over 877 hops. We got 630 unique hops. We got one order from impression. Okay. Excuse me. We got one order from impression. I know it says two, but we got one order from impression and one unique order from impression. Okay. Now, this unique order form impression, this is somebody that went to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason, or they did not buy for whatever reason. Okay. For some reason, someone did not sign up. Okay. Now, usually when I see this, the next day we get a sale. It just somehow, sometimes people just look at it. They say, oh, I'll come back to it later and sign up, or, come back the next day or the next day after. Okay. But unfortunately, we didn't get any sales today and we didn't get any gross earnings. We didn't get any rebuilds, okay, which is not a big deal, okay. But we're going to keep grinding. We're going to keep striving. We're going to keep sending out emails every single day, okay. So the real authentic thing about this video series, guys, how it's just super real, is that I'm going to come in and shoot videos even if we don't make a sale. Okay. A lot of people are not doing that, right? Sometimes people just want to show you when everything is good and they don't want to show you when they're not making anything happen, right? Me, that's the thing about this channel of True Freedom Income. You're going to learn different ways, different strategies to earn income, but also you're going to learn authenticity. Okay. I'm not sure if I said that word right, right? Basically, I'm just keeping it real with you guys, right? So I'm coming in, I'm showing you guys how to do stuff, right? Whether we make a sale or we don't make a sale, I'm coming in, I'm just showing you the groundwork. That way you can know what I went through. And if you guys want to get started, this is possibly what you could go through. And then once you reach that plateau and you know that it's working, then you'll start making income. Okay. That's a little secret that I wanted to share with you guys. This is the reason why this particular method, why I stuck with this method, because I've seen other people do it that are making money. Okay. And I thought to myself, if these people are doing it, they're not doing anything special or different. If they can make money, if they're making this money, I can make the money, right? They're no different from me. So that's what kept me motivated to keep doing this, guys, because I know that I could do it, right? And that's what ended up happening, guys, right? I have different other things that I do to make money online, but this right here, this particular method, I created a brand new Clickbank account and a brand new mailing system method, okay, that I wanted to show you guys just to show you that this works from a brand new Clickbank account, okay. I created this maybe a few months ago, and I only did it just for you guys, okay, just to show you that this method does work. And if you guys want to get started, this is what it will look like for you, okay. So the thing about me, you're not gonna, that's why you got to follow these videos, okay? Because I'm gonna come in one day, I might hit one day, and then I might not, okay? So that's the suspicion that you guys want to be after. You want to know, did he make money today or did he not? Right? It's just all real. Okay. Nothing is scripted. I don't have no script I'm reading off of. I just fly off what I'm thinking in my head, guys. When I come into these accounts, guys, I have no idea what I've made, for the day. I just come in, I look at it and boom, that's it. Right. Cause I got other money making opportunities that I do. So this is just one income stream. Okay. So this is one of my lower income streams, guys. This is why I'm coming in to show you guys, because this is low hanging fruit. I'm not sure if you heard that term before, but this is just super easy, super simple stuff that you can do. And all you got to do is set it up one time and you get paid over and over and over again. Okay. So I'm not going to go anymore. I'm not going to waste any more of your time, guys. I just wanted to show you how to do stuff. Okay. I wanted to show you how to send out an email in the system, which I've done that. And I wanted to show you last night's emails. Okay. We sent out an email last night, June 10th. It's June 11th today. We did get some good traffic. Okay. And we also got some order form impressions. And I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. Okay. Now, these other clicks and things like that. These are just from YouTube stuff that I've done. I posted YouTube videos like months ago, and when I first created this account, and I'm just getting traffic from those videos. I don't do anything to promote any other offers now. I can't tell you that there's going to be a method that I may bring out later on, down the road. I do some YouTube stuff online, but I've done it one time. I set it up one time and then I just get traffic over and over and over and over again. Okay. It's not something that I do every day. Something that I'm doing every day with this method is the mileage and secret system. a Clickbank challenge. Okay, that's what we're on right now, which is going to be this top offer. So if you guys ever want to know what these are just additional traffic from a couple of videos that I've posted on YouTube that just bring in free traffic, right? Free traffic, okay, that you can get to whatever offers that you want to do. But the offer that we're going to be promoting is just this top offer. This is just one offer that we're promoting, guys. And it's just going to be something that we'll do for the next year, okay? So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I'm going to come back here tomorrow. I'm going to meet you guys back here at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.